Hello, today we are going to learn how to convert numbers from Arabic numerals to Roman numerals and from Roman numerals to Arabic numerals. I know a lot of you are having challenges doing this conversion. We are going to simplify it using Excel. So let's move to our Excel table. So in our Excel table, we have 1. We are going to convert 1 from Arabic numeral to Roman numeral. So come to your Excel, equal function, then give the Roman function, then select your Arabic number and press enter. So the Roman numeral for 1 is I. Let's drag it and see what we can get for the rest. So for 15 is SV, for 14 XIV, 13 XIII. So let's do for 3999. So the Roman numeral for 3999 is MMM CM XCIX 3999. Unfortunately, Excel cannot process any Roman numeral beyond, convert any Arabic number beyond 4000 to Roman numeral. So let's try and see. Let's copy the same function and paste for 4000. Value invalid. Let's convert from Roman numerals to Arabic numerals. So Arabic. So this will be the function equals Arabic. Then you select your Roman numeral, you press enter. So the Arabic number for XLIVII is 46. So let's copy the same function and paste for the second one 432, for the next one 437. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos and data analysis using Excel.